Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to present you an SPY weekly credit spread strategy. This video is going to take you around 5 minutes to learn a great trading strategy that's going to happen 3 times a week and help you build your portfolio constantly. Now before we get started, please make sure you subscribe our channel. So the main idea of this strategy is to sell credit spread every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with 20 delta area, and that is around 2 to 3% out of money strike price, and with $1 with SPY put spread that has the closest expiry date. This means if you sell the credit spread at Monday, you will close it at Wednesday, or if you buy it at Wednesday, you close it at Friday. If you sell it at Friday, you will close it next Monday. So there will be 3 trades happening each week. And then if the market works against us and starts to tank, we will buy back our put spread at a loss as soon as the market is within 1% of our strike. Let's take a look at the performance. So there are about 50 times 3, which equals to 150 weekly expirations in SPY, which means we will perform this strategy 150 times. So on trades where we win, we have 8% growth, as seen in the above example, which I will show you in the next slide. On losers, we will have 20% loss. We only encounter a loser when we buy back our spreads because SPY has dropped around 2 to 3% since we opened our spread. Let's say out of every 7 trades, 1 is a loser. So from the bullets above, there are around 22 losers and 128 winners. Our returns over the year are around this calculation, which is equal to 140, which means our return is 140 times. Now, before you start to wonder, this is too good to be true, let's take a look at the trade logs. So there's actually some people trading with this strategy already, and this is there's a website I found in the internet where this person has basically trading this strategy for 2 years. So he starts trading from 2019 May. He had an initial money around 75,000 US dollar, and you can see in the graph here he made around 101.7% in 2019. With a gain of around $85,000, and in 2020 he made around 174K already. That gives him around 300% in 1.5 years, which is 259K in total. So if you are interested, you can click on the link and see for yourself. Now we are talking about the caveats and risks. So the downfall of this strategy is there could be times when the market completely tank. And so this is why you should buy back your spread when the market is within 1% from your put spread legs. And this way you limit your losses to about 20%. And another caveat is that this strategy also has a high risk reward ratio, which means if we are not careful with setting alerts or buying back when the market is 1% away, we could simply lose everything. On the contrary, our profit for each trade is only around 8%. So there's actually a few strategy improvements we have been thinking about. So the first improvement we can do is to check VIX beforehand. So As we all know that VIX is the volatility of the market. So let's say if you see the VIX has a high number, a big number, and that means there's a high chance of market price going down. And so we can probably sell call credit spread. And on the contrary, if we have low VIX number, that means there's a high chance of the market price going up or remain the same. So in this case, we can sell the put credit spread. And we can also allocate small percentage of our whole portfolio. As you see, the downfall of this strategy is that there could be times when the market moves against us. And in that case, we will see that the portfolio, like our money, our portfolio value will decrease by a large percent. So in order to avoid such situations, we should not reinvest all the profit or all of our portfolio. We should allocate probably around 10% of our whole portfolio into this strategy to avoid losing all of our money. But other than that, this is overall a great strategy, and I would recommend you to allocate a trivial small amount of money to test this strategy out by yourself. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe the channel for more trading strategies.